these are the items that you will find in the box. This is the electrical cable. This is item number 1. It has an electrical plug on one end, and the other piece is the connection to item number 2. This is item number 2. On the front is the connection for item number 1, and on the other side is the connection to the AC connector, item number 3. Item number 3 has 2 different connections. One is to the USB, and the other one is for the power cord. On the back is the connection to the Connect, which is item number 4. This is a USB from A to C. Again, the first is USB type A, and the second one is USB type C. Item number 5 is the CPU, the black box. You will find on the front 2 USB connections, and on the back you'll find the HDMI in, HDMI out, and also 2 USB connections, as well as the power on the left. To connect the computer, you need the cable cord, item number 5A. There's one piece that connects to the electricity, and the other piece is the AC adapter. The Alpha computer has an AC adapter, which is item number 5B. You connect the cable on one side, and the back end allows you to connect it to the CPU Alpha computer. To connect the Alpha from the HDMI port in the back of the computer, you need item 5C. This has an HDMI cable 1.4. Both sides look exactly the same. Item number 6 is the Connect. This only has one connection, and that's the Connect adapter. Item number 8 is the USB. Your USB might look different, but the files that are needed for the exercises will be on that USB key. We assume that you will have a large screen TV, and that will be item number 7. There will be an HDMI cable attached to your TV screen. We will take the electrical cord for item number 1, and we connect this to item number 2, which is just snap it in. The output for item number 2 gets plugged into item number 3. Then take item number 4, connect USB-C into the USB-C port. And then your Connect will connect into the back end of item number 3. So that's the cable that goes on the outside of the Connect, and that connects into your item number 3, and now you have your Connect connected. You'll take the USB cable, and that will get connected into item number 5, the Alienware Alpha. Now we're going to connect item number 5, the CPU, the Alienware Alpha. Item number 5 is connected to item number 5A, the electrical cord on one side, and adapter AC into 5B. And then the AC adapter gets connected into the back of the Alpha. Item number 5, you'll find the cord gets plugged in on the left side. And item number 5C, it's very important because you'll find 2 HDMIs, HDMI in and HDMI out. Make sure you connect it into the HDMI out port. Perfect. Next, we're going to take the USB, which is item number 8, and connect it to the back of the CPU, the Alien AlphaWare computer. Then take the Connect to USB cable and put it into the outlet that is right above where you connected your USB. Okay, next you're going to take the HDMI cable from the TV, which is item number 7, and you're going to click it into your CPU, which is your Alien AlphaWare computer. You will need a mouse as well as a keyboard. As long as they have USB connections, it doesn't matter what type they are. Connect the mouse into the USB port at the front of the Alienware computer. Likewise, connect the keyboard into the USB port on the front of the AlphaWare computer. After we have everything connected, you turn on the computer, which is item number 5. There's a button on the front. Then turn on your TV. It will say Alienware. And then you'll see the first screen. On the keyboard, press Enter. The password is VG for Virtual Gym. Press Enter. Now we're going to test the Connect Studio to ensure that we have the correct distance. On the keyboard, press the Windows key, and you will see the tiles on the desktop. Press Connect or enter Connect, K-I-N-E-C-T. You will find Connect Studio version 2.0. Open that one. This helps us ensure that the Connect is working. Go to full screen, maximize the screen using the buttons in the top right corner. Click the Connect button towards the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see Victor's body being recorded on the screen. Now we're making sure that we have the correct distance between the participant and the Connect sensor. Test it by asking the participant to move their hands up, to the side, and down. You can see Victor's feet moving. Test both the left as well as the right arms and legs. Usually the distance between the participant and the sensor is about 3 to 5 meters, and you should be able to see the participant moving their arms and their legs in the center of the screen. Now you can close this window, click the disconnect button, and click the exit button on the left. This takes you back to the desktop, and you'll see the Virtual Gym shortcut at the bottom left corner on the desktop. Double click the icon, and when the next prompt comes up, click play. Then click continue. This should show that you have your USB as well as your Connect connected. This is the main menu. First, you have to make sure you have the correct routine. There's one exercise in there at the moment. And here you can select additional exercises by clicking Add on the right-hand side of the exercise. This brings it into current routine, the other exercises into your current routine. You can also remove exercises using this method. So again, click Remove, and it brings items from the current routine down into other exercises. The first step is to show the tutorial.
Welcome to the Virtual Gym tutorial. Here we will go over the different parts of the game so you can understand what you need to do. First, we'll take a look at the exercise studio. This is the coach avatar. It will demonstrate the movements you should make and the postures you need to match. Like this. When the coach demonstrates a posture, you have to match it. When you match and hold a posture long enough, the coach will demonstrate the next posture. Match them all to complete the game. You will control the coach's shadow. Try it out.
So now you will see Victor appearing on the screen as he tests the system. You'll see his left and right arms moving.
In the game, both the shadow and the coach will be visible. You need to match the shadow to the coach. To help you match postures, Virtual Gym uses a feedback system. You will see arrows and text telling you what you need to change. If the coach were to move their left arm down while you kept your arm in the same place, like this, the system will give you this feedback. Move your left arm down. Utilize the feedback to match all the postures and complete the game. If you're wondering how to know when you've matched a posture, don't worry. Virtual Gym has lots of tools to help. When you match the posture, the shadow you control will be highlighted. Like this. Different colors show different levels of accuracy. Green means you match the coach perfectly. Yellow means you've matched the coach, but just barely. And yellow-green is in between. This body map is also used to give you feedback. If you are having trouble matching a posture, it will appear. The parts that you are not matching will flash, while those that are matched will be solid green. For example, if you have matched everything but your left arm, the map would look like this. Again, the body map only appears if you haven't matched a posture for some time. Use it to help complete more difficult exercises. After you match a posture, you need to hold it for an amount of time. This progress bar will show you how long you have matched a posture and how long you have left. This is what you will see if you correctly match a posture for 3 seconds. You can also use the progress bar to see if you are correct because it will only count down when you have entirely matched a posture. Alright, that's everything. Let's put it all together. Match the posture for 5 seconds to finish the tutorial. Move your left arm up. Hold. Move your right arm. Hold. Move your left arm. Hold. Well done. You're ready to play the game. Enjoy. Begin in T position, then lower your arms to your sides and hold for 2 seconds. Next, raise your arms up, back into T position, hold for 5 seconds, then repeat the exercise once more. Hold. 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 hold, good job. Begin in T position, then lower your arms to your sides and hold for 2 seconds. Next, raise your arms to the sky, hold for 5 seconds, then lower your arms back to your sides and repeat the exercise once more. Hold, 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 hold. Excellent. Begin in T position, then bend your arms inward until you can make a W with your arms. Hold for 5 seconds, then raise your arms to the sky. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower your arms back to the W position and repeat once more. Hold, 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 hold. Great. Begin in T position, then lower your arms to your sides and hold for 2 seconds. Next, rotate your right shoulder forward, hold for 5 seconds, then rotate your left shoulder forward to the other side and hold for 5 seconds again. Return to the starting position and repeat once more. Hold, 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 hold. Rotate your right hold, rotate, hold. Excellent. Begin in T position, then move your hands to your hips and hold for 2 seconds. Next, reach your left arm down the side of your left leg and hold for 5 seconds. Then, switch sides, reaching your right arm down the side of your right leg and hold for 5 seconds as well. Return to the starting position and repeat once more. Hold, hold, hold. Bend right, hold, 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 hold. Hold. Great. Begin in T position, then lower your arms to your sides and hold for 2 seconds. Next, keep your right foot on the ground while you raise your left knee and hold for 5 seconds. Return to the initial position for 2 seconds, then repeat with your other leg. Return to the initial position and repeat the exercise once more. Hold. 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 Good job. Begin in T position, then lower your arms to your sides and hold for 2 seconds. Next, bend your left knee backward and hold for 5 seconds. Try to lift your left foot off the ground, but if necessary, you may keep your toes on the ground for balance. Hold this for 5 seconds, return to the initial position for 2 seconds, then repeat with your other leg. Return to the initial position and repeat the exercise once more. Hold. 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 Move. Hold. Hold.